Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright, so we do have some more spoilers for the BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe boxes. Now this is going to be for the month of September. I'm going to put a list up here. These are going to be the brands they are confirmed to be in the boxes. So I'm going to show you what we already have, and then I'm going to show you the new spoilers. So first, this is going to be in the BoxyLuxe box. So first, it's going to be either the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. You will get that, or the Sunday Riley Tidal Bright Enzyme Water Cream. Next is the Spongel Mani Pedi Treatment and the Clean Skin Water Bottle Infuser. You will get those two items, or the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. Now they added another variation to these two, which will be the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. Then next we have the SelfTaught Beauty Curling Wand. You will get that, or the Moda Brush 8-piece brush set. So we do have two more that has been revealed. So first is the Violet Voss Essentials 10 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. You will get that, or the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. Those two are new, and also the Too Faced that was added to the other variation palettes. So as soon as they reveal any more, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying, which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.